The cure of the vision is definitive. Take this before bed and watch what happens in 2 days. One of the best nutrients to look for when you are trying to improve your eyesight is definitely vitamin A. This article presents a few shakes that incorporate fruits rich in vitamin A. With the other vitamins and minerals, you will be able to have a better view in no time. 3 milkshakes for 100% viewing. 1. A very fruity shake. This milkshake has a very nice tropical flavor. Its fruity flavor comes from the juice of the fruits, so it is recommended that you use freshly squeezed. It does not require nuts or sweeteners. Ingredients: 1 cup apple juice and orange juice, 1 cup chopped mango and apple, 1 passion fruit, 1 banana, 1 cup of juice of 1 lemon. Put all the ingredients in a blender and mix well. You can also add some spinach or any other mild greens that you would like to use. Add some grains of oats or any source of carbohydrates if you want to make this thickened smoothie. 2. Vegetable shake. Ingredients: 2 branches of kale, 2 stalks of celery, 1 orange pepper, 1 beet, 3 kiwis. Do not remove the greens from the beet. Do not kiwi skin and do not remove the seeds from the peppers. Try using organic ingredients, but if you cannot find it, you just have to use apple cider vinegar to remove the sprays. All ingredients have eye benefits. 3. Spicy green smoothie. Ingredients: several spinach leaves, 2 carrots, various peppers, linseed oil, lemon juice, a pinch of salt. This shake is very rich in vitamin C, omega-3 fatty acids, lutein and carotene. Blend all ingredients together to keep your eyes healthy and maintain better vision. You can add some cayenne pepper,